Alright, quick little update. And you're doing chores for those ducks. Destroy everything. What we got in here? Just that one egg in there still. Doing okay. Nothing else anywhere. Birds going crazy. Nothing. You guys hungry? And all our babies are gone. I don't know what happened to them. Pidgey pigeons. Alright, let's see if they're hungry. You guys hungry? Huh? Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Ow, hit my head. Oh, I was gonna say, is old Red gonna come out? Yeah, she heard the news. There's food. There's food on the ground. Alright, wash this nasty old thing out. Some water in here for you. Here, guys, there's water out here. Beep, 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 beep. Yep, come on. Oh, the ducks are flying around. I forget those call ducks can fly pretty darn good. Hi, Red. Oh, hi, Miss Red. Hi, babies. She has 14 eggs in there now, so I don't know if she's gonna hatch them or not. I don't know. A couple of them might be fertile. I mean, we did have Tommy before she started laying them, so I don't know if she. I don't know. We found her in the woods next door, and she had a nest of 12 or 13 eggs. And then we brought her back here. I took that nest and everything because their neighbor's dog was picking on her. It's right next to their fence, so I took her nest and everything, put it in here. It took a couple days, but she's good with it now. She sits in there most of the time. She only comes out maybe for a couple minutes every day to eat and drink with me, and then she goes back in her pen, or in her little nest over there. She's off from it. Well, check it out. This pigeon is freaking out above me. You guys can see the eggs. Oh yeah, see, there's her eggs. Big old clutch. I don't know if they're gonna hatch. I haven't touched them yet, so here we'll wait and see. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry, Mama Pigeon. Just changing you guys' food and water out, guys. I ain't trying to bother nobody today. My one little English owl, old German owl, sorry, English owl, German owl. He's still doing good. Little mama's doing good down here. Tempting to do water with one hand, guys. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Luckily, I got a little bit of strength in my wrist. Might as well draw. Alright, guys. Hey, Bubbles. Oh, what you getting all puffed up for, huh? Did I scare ya? Oh, we'll hang out for a minute, huh? Oh, my bucket's gonna break. Old Red the turkey. Bubbles and her boyfriend. I still haven't come up with a good enough name for him yet. Just Bubbles Man. Bubbles and her man. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. All those boyfriends blowing bubbles in the water now. It's so funny, I don't know why they do that. They do it all the time. I don't know, I don't know what it is. It's pretty funny though. Hopefully it's not wrong. There's a young bird. There's Mama Bird. She just wants in her nest. She wants me to leave so she can hang out and be comfortable. One egg in there. There was two, but the male jumped out the other day and had one of them stuck to his feet. Which actually happens a lot when I go down and catch them from the bridges. They tend to freak out and run off, and a lot of times they stick their foot through an egg. They're worried about themselves, not their babies, when it comes to that point. They must not be too hungry. They ain't even coming over here. They don't like Red either. Yeah, they're scared of you, huh, Red? They don't really care for you too much, do they? They don't mind you, but they'd rather not be by you. Beep, 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 beep. Come on, birds. Beep, 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 beep. If you guys notice, the guineas are not in here. I'll make another video here in a minute about those guys. I'm gonna make a couple videos today, probably some short ones. My phone isn't still messed up, so hopefully this one will work. I figured I'd do with you guys this pigeon video first. Pigeons. Well, doing pretty good. I don't know what the heck happened with those babies. Maybe the guineas got in there, and I don't know, they were all, every one of them were gone. And again, they were here, but they weren't alive. Oh, excuse me. Oh, pretty birds. And Bubbles. And Red. Her tail is all messed up from sitting in that thing. She's in there kind of goofy, so her tail's all messed up now. Starting to look like a peacock. Yeah, you're starting to look like the peacock, Red. Looking like King. Mr. King over there with his big old tail. Yeah. Hey, pretty bird. That's actually one of my ones that I really like right there. This guy right there. It's got red and white, all kinds of different colors in him. It's pretty cool. The sun hits him just right. He's got a bunch of red in him. Alright, till next time, hopefully here soon I'll have this other pigeon coop done. I thought about videotaping recording some of my progress on it, but I haven't made a whole lot of progress lately, so I've been having a lot going on lately, so I'm just trying to keep up with everything. It's been a pain in the butt, so. Alright, I'll do another video here in a few minutes of the geese and show you guys how they're looking. The babies, they're all growing up now, so. It's been a long time since I did an update on those guys. I tried to yesterday, but my phone wasn't recording for some reason. So, alright guys, if you ain't subscribed, subscribe. If you like the video, like it so I know, and leave a comment if you want. It lets me know that you guys are actually watching the videos. And whoa, Red, behave. Them birds ain't doing nothing to you. That's why they don't like you. Scaring them all the time. Alright, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you next video. Alright, later guys.